Championship with finals. We did blitz here. So it means without warriors from this world war. Within fighting of this one by Grandmaster in Kazakhstan is Bibisar Azarbayeva by faces by fighting of versus by Ukraine by Grandmaster Anna Musichuk. So it means so finals within game 1, 2, and 3. So it means tie all within score 1.5 with a tie all. So it means with today's game 4, so what happened of this one, many bad move, brand X, and 2 blunder ratio. So it means many are this one by in this wrong of these decisions by opponents. So what do you think of these finals here within battle of this championship, within fighting of this one, with studies of this analyze of this chess here? So let's see of this one with puzzles here. White pieces with Grandmaster in Kazakhstan is Bibisara, and black pieces by Grandmaster in Ukraine is Anna Musichuk. Within finals here, within FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025 in this game number 4 here. So Knight F3 by Bibisara, C5 by Musichuk with the Sicilian invitations, and also C4, Knight C6, Knight C3, and also Knight F6. It is called by this one with openings with English opening, symmetrical, 4 knights variation. So this is a 4 with a 2 white pieces and 2 with knights with black pieces here. And also G3 by Bibisara with the next Fenkiatos attacks with light square by Bishop to G2, B4 by castling kingside here. And also Pawn D5 by Musichuk with a move by Pawn D5, with the next by maneuver is Bishop to G4 with the threats the knights here. And also captured this pawn, knight captured with Musichuk, and also Bishop G2 by Bibisara by next by preparing castling kingside here. And also knight takes captured. So this is a next by this one Bishop P2 with a dark square with a Fianchettos attacks here. And also pawn E5 by Musichuk, and also castling kingside by Bibisara. And also Bishop E7 by Musichuk without before by this one with castle kingside here. And also D3 castling by Musichuk, and also Rook B1 without Rook B1, without more by this one with a continuations here with Bibisara here, without more by pressure without disturbance without Rook B files here. And also without defense by this one by Musichuk is Queen C7 here. And also Knight D2. So what the plans, or maybe next by this one Knight to C4, or maybe Knight B3, because these are the Bibisara is a plans here from this choose of this one by move. And also Rook B8 by Musichuk without next by Rook B fast here, without pins, without rooks here. And also Knight C4. So this is a new move from this Bibisara of this opening database by master by chess.com. So these are the old main lines. By first, its database is pawn F4, or second by this one pawn A4, with a third Knight C4 novelty by this one with Bibisara here. And also Bishop E6 by Musichuk without threats the knights here. And also Queen A4 without more controls by Bibisara without defense the knights. And also pawn F6, so good precise by situations without controls by continuous with Musichuk here, because these are the movement by this one with black pawns. And also Knight E3, need more go backs here with Bibisara. And also Rook FD8 without good precise here. And also Rook E1, and also Bishop backwards F8, and also pawn C4 without good precise here with Bibisara here. And also Bishop D7 without defense here by Knight to C6 here. And also Knight strong D5 by Bibisara without knights by disturbance without threatening the queens here. And also without Queen D6 by this one with Musichuk. And also Queen backwards A3. And also pawn B6 without defense here by C5 without black pawns. And also Bishop D2. And also Rook DC8 without good precise here. And also H4 with a strong move from this one with Bibisara. And also Bishop G4 without good controls here without bad bishop here. And also Knight E3 without pressure by this one with attacks the bishop. Bishop again, go back d7 with Musichuk, and also strong by h5, and also proc active king h8. So need more with it without king must be active here, and also knight d5 without go backs here. Bishop g4, go back without repeating here without bishop, and also strong h6, very strong move with Bibisara here, and also push g6. So this is a worse move from Musichuk. So this is symbolized is Eki's move. So the best move is continue captured. G takes h6 here. So if you knight e3 here with the threats the bishop here, and also need more go backs bishop to e6. Okay, bishop e6 here. So this is a continuation here. So this is a slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back to this one. Pawn g6 with a push by this one with Musichuk here. And also knight e3 with a threatening the bishop. So this is a brand X move. So the branded move, this one is pawn f3. So this is a best move with a threatening the bishops here. So if you move backwards by bishop to d7 here, and also pawn to f4 here, continuous. So this is a good slightly better for whites here. Okay, so back to this one is knight e3 with a threatening the bishop. Bishop e6, another worse move from Musichuk. So the best move, continue, bishop captured pawn. Bishop takes h6 here is a slightly good precise here by better move. So this is a better from slightly better for black. So this is a need more captured from bishop captured. Okay, so back to this one is bishop e6 here, and also good precise this one is knight d5 with Bibisara, need more go backs here, and also bishop g4. Okay, go back here. So it means many draw from repetitions here, and also bishop e3 without movement. So it means another worse move from Bibisara. So it means best is f3 again. So it means f3 is a good slightly better here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e3 by Bibisara, and also rook d7. So it means blunderatious from with Anna Musichuk here. So it means, so the best move, this one is pawn g5 here. So pawn g5 is a best move. So this is a controls because these are the push without g5 without long collides with pawns. So it means cannot move. So it means cannot defense from bishop. So it means these are the continuation. So it means without pawns. This is a long collides because cannot defense from bishop because these are the bishop without attacks this one with pawns. So this is a guard of this black pawn. So this is a good slightly advantage for black. So this is a white pawn. So cannot defense from bishop here. Okay, so back there, this one is rook d7 without blunderations, without idea with battery. Okay, so without idea without battery here. And also queen a4. So many are brand X. So this is a worst move from Bibisara. So another third worst move. So it means that the best move is f3 again. What happened by Bibisara? So it means miss her move from f3 here. So it means best is queen a4, another worse move here. And also knight d4, another second blunderatious by Anna Musichuk. So it means that the best move is g4 again. g4 again. So it means g4 is a miss the move from this one with Musichuk here. So this is a slightly better for black. So this is a miss move from g4, I mean g5, sorry. So g5 is a miss move. So it means so the back there, this one is knight d4 blunderatious. So blunderatious from this Anna Musichuk, and bishop captured, another worse move from Bibisara. What happened? So it means that the best move is f3 again. What happened? f3. So f3 here from mismove from Bibi Sara. So it means what happened from white pieces from Bibi Sara. So it means so the back there is bishop captured, another fourth worst move. So worst move here and also captured. Oh no, what happened? Many are worst move and bad move and second blunder ratio. So it means so captured. This is a worst move. Run X. So the better is C takes captured. C takes captured here. So this is a best move of the solutions. So slightly better for blacks here. So this is a good advantage here. Okay, so back there, this one is capture this pawn. And also E3 with the threatening the pawns. And also bishop captured. Okay. This is a best solutions from Muzychuk with the bishop captured pawns here. And also E takes d4, C takes d4, and also rook e4. What happened by Bibi Sara? So this is a bad move from this computer given here. So the best move, this one is queen to c2 here. This queen c2 is a right of this move of this computer engine here. So this is a slightly better for whites here. So back there, this one, rook e4 by Bibi Sara. Bishop f5 with the threatening the rook. So this is a bad move from given computer engine. So the best move is pawn f5. Need more threats the rooks here. So need more by threatening the rooks here. So if you move backwards, rook. Wait. So it means nothing. Never mind from this move. So f5 here. So with the threats the rook. So this is a slightly better for blacks here. I think at the finding of this one by examples. So back there, this one is bishop f5 with Muzychuk with the threats the rooks, rook captured pawns, and queen e5 with the threats the rooks here, and also rook h4 without disturbance with the threats the bishop here, and also bishop g7 without backwards. So it means another worse again by Muzychuk here. So the best move this one is bishop g5 threatening the rook. So threatening the rooks here. So if you move backwards, rook e4, sacrifice. Sacrifice with threats the queens here. And also queen to d6. So queen d6 and also need more backwards, rook e1. So rook e1 here. So this is a best solutions here. So slightly better advantage for whites here. Okay, so back there, this one is bishop e4. Need more backwards by Muzychuk. And bishop e4 without bishop to bishop without light square here. And also rook c8 battery. So it means another bad move by Muzychuk here. So the best move this one is rook to f7. Okay, rook to f7 here. So this is a good solutions from this one of this computer engine. So this is a slightly better for blacks here. So this is a connected of this one with rooks. Okay. So back there, this one is rook cd8 battery with Muzychuk and bishop captured with Bibi Sara. Threats the rooks. Queen takes captured and also rook e4. Why? Because the queens without threats without pawns with pins without rooks here. So it means without defense is rook to e4. We need more defense by this one with Bibi Sara here. And also pawn h5 with a strong by continuations with Muzychuk here. And also battery rook b e1. And also queen f3 without more by defense or defense here, and maybe without threats the pawn to d3 here. So it means another third again by bad move by Muzychuk here. So the best move this one is rook to f7 again. So rook f7 again is a best solutions here. So this is a good slightly better for blacks here. Okay, so back there, this one is queen f3 without threats the pawn d3 here, and also rook battery rook 1 e3 without defense or threatening the queens with queen f3, without rooks, without attacks with queens here. And also, Queen F5 without more controls, without backwards here. And also, Queen C6, more continuations here. And also, King H7 without proc active. And also, King G2 with Bibi Sara. Rook D6 without threats the queens. And also, Queen C7 without idea, without attacks. With pawn to A7 without more controls by attackers here. And also, Rook 6 D7 defense without threats the queens. Queen C6 and also Rook D6 another threats the queens here because these are the rooks more controls with Muzychuk with queens with Bibi Sara. And also Queen A4 attacks the pawn A7. Rook 6 D7 defends the pawn A7. Rook E7 attacks this rook to rook. And also proc active King H6. So it means, so for example, if you rook captured here, if your rook takes E7 and also knight captured without threatening the queens here. So it means how do you control, and decided by move here with queen to C5. Okay, queen C5 here is a best move here. Okay, so this is a slightly good examples. Okay, so back to this one is King H6 proc active by Muzychuk. And also Rook F3 without threatening the queens, and also Queen G5 ignorance. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the last move without before championship before resigns by Ukraine by defeated from this one with Anna Muzychuk? So last guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. The last move from this before championship is rook captured without one rook down. Decided Anna Muzychuk resigns before defeated of these black pieces. So it means why she defeated, because so if you rook takes d7 only move, and also queen captured no more rooks. So it means because two pieces within more of this control, so it means decided black game over, so it means white wins. So it means, so Bibi Sara Asabayeva championship by crowd here. So congratulations from this one with Grandmaster in Kazakhstan. Okay, so let's see up this one with final results from this FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025. Okay, so the first semi-finals with women's with finals here with the Zhuzhner, the score 0, and Grandmaster Bibi Sara Asabayeva 3 points, so it means proceed her finals. And B from International Master Eileen Roberts 1.5 and Grandmaster Anna Muzychuk 2.5, so it means win from this Grandmaster Anna Muzychuk, proceed up these phases with Bibi Sara versus Anna. And the finals here, the score by Grandmaster Bibi Sara Asabayeva 2.5 and Grandmaster Anna Muzychuk 1.5. So the winner with champion Bibi Sara Asabayeva with finals. Okay, so let's see up this one with pictures within awarded by FIDE World Blitz Championship 2025. Okay, so this is A from this first bronze medal, my favorite players by Grandmaster in China. Zhuzhner by silver medals by Grandmaster in this Ukraine is Anna Muzychuk, and the champion by Blitz here by Grandmaster Bibi Sara Asabayeva. So it means without 4 placer from this international master by Netherlands is Eileen Roberts. So it means congratulations from this top 3 of this one within crowd by this one with FIDE World Blitz. Okay, the winner from this one by crowd by FIDE World FIDE World Blitz Championship Qatar 2025. So it means the winner of this one, the FIDE World Blitz Championship Grandmaster in Kazakhstan, Bibi Sara Asabayeva. Congratulations from this crowd with same of this one with women's Swiss here. Okay, so after of this women's Swiss, so next up this one with round number 1 with Blitz. So what happened with Magnus Carlsen with punching without slamming angry by Magnus Carlsen within tables here. Same by this one by Norway Chess 2025 within round number 6. Okay, so next up this one after, so next up this with Blitz within legendary Grandmaster Vasil Ivanchuk here. Okay, so the next up this one with Tagalogs within more of this one with pushes with photographers within round number 7 with Grandmaster Magnus Carlsen. So I will analyze of this one with Mark Luagi 17 part 2 with Tagalogs. Okay, I hope this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Luagi 17 aka Mark 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and keep updates of this next chess updates. Bye bye.